Talking about that, kunalento kuye kuthiwe umntana oye wazalelwa kulonina isithunywe siye siphakame sesakulonina ngoba siye samgade evundle ekulonina. Emva kwaloo nto leyo yile nto ke ngoku ndiyayiva le nto itsho kuthiwe umntana kukho imibango ke ngoku. So is that the reason that uthi abantwana bakho uthandazela uba mabeba nabantwana sebetshadile lenzele lo mntana angazubangwa aziwe uba ngowakwaNgwenya?
Uzokwaziwa kodwa alikho idlozi elibaluleke njengedlozi lasekhaya komama. Ngisho nomama ushadile.
Okay, tell me about it. Because nabengicifa maloo nto le iye yenzeke xa umntana vela
kodwa alikho idlozi elibaluleke njengelasekhaya komama. Ngiye ngithi mina when I break it down ngiye ngithi idlozi lasekhaya komama liyihawu lokuvika. Idlozi lasekhaya kobaba liwumkhonto wokugadla.
Okay.
Uma belwa nawe idlozi elikuvikelayo elasekhaya komama. Idlozi elikulwelayo elasekhaya.
Ke ngoku imibango iye ivele xa sekutheni ke ngoku Ngwenya ngoba ixesha eninzi uzawuva kuthi umntana uyabangwa, abanga umntana seyilotyoliwe, abanga umntana seyihlawuliwe, kodwa kuthiwe kukho umbango kulo mntana. Is it because mhlawumbe khange athathwe kakuhle kulo mama eyobikwa kulo tata?
Yikho ngithi you have to do what you were supposed to do to the mother enganeni yakho. Ingane yakho kumele iphume ngendlela, bayicelele, basho futhi babike ukuthi isiyaphuma la iya kuphi. Kwaziwe la eyakhona. Hayi ivuke isikhona ungazi ukuthi kuphi. Ngoba bona bayazi kuyingane yala ekhaya. So those processes have to be made. Kumele kubikelwe abantu bala ekhaya ukuthi isiyahamba iya kuphi. Izathu zokuthi ihambe yini isiyongena khona iphinde futhi ithathwe khona ifakwe kahle ifakwe ngendlela kulandelwe yonke imigudu lekumele ilandelwe ukuze ifakwe ngokosiko bese nalabo basekhaya komama njoba ngithi alikho idlozi elibaluleke
njani lo mama
elasekhaya komama bazi ukuthi ingane kuphi
bazokwazi manje be protect her and all that. Ndiyakuva. Sinalento yokutry, I don't know whether to call it trying okanye mandithi sicimfamba woke, you know, and we tend to lose touch eyengcambu zethu. How important it is ukuba nabantwana abayaziyo ingcambu yabo apha ekukhuleni. And how do we go about, let's say sihlale elokishini ngoku, when is the right time to introduce them? Apha ekhaya ke senza kanje. Kuyanyanzeleka ukuba sihlale sihamba siye emakhaya, to the bundus, to the villages, to do all those things. Okanye siqala khona apha kulo mkhukhu wethu apha elokishini.
They should know who they are. And they will know where they're going. And they will know the importance of impilo abayiphilayo. They will be able to make the right decisions in impilo.
From which age to start introducing them to who they are?
Uma seqale iqonda umfundisi. Yingakho sinomalume namhlanje abangazi lutho.
Hey,
Sino aunt abangazi lutho.
Obaba omncane,
Baba omncane abangazi lutho. Because abayincelanga lento isikhathi sise right. Kwaze kwahamba abantu ababalekile. Mhlambe lo muntu lona uma wakhe uba wakhe wakhetha ukumqhelelanisa nabantu ebekumele ngabe bayamupha lento. Bayamfundisa leyo nto leyo. Years later maseyiqondene naye ibheke yena akazi ukuthi kumele ayini.
Hey, it hits home. Yabona lento ichoy. Because njengami nokufeeling ngathi sendiyaqoshelisa ngoku ngama last minutes sendincekelele kwaba sebekhona ngoku ba makwenziwe into elungileyo. Ndiyakuva yazi. I used to call myself a lost soul. I don't call myself that anymore. The feeling ngathi the more I say it, it's the more I get lost.
The more you get lost. Yeah, you need to find yourself. And as I said earlier on, awuhambi wedwa.
Utsho nje noSijava uthi tshela isitha sami ukuthi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba
So
nabangabona
when
abadala.
you start acknowledging that you are not alone, awuhambi wedwa, you acknowledging those that are with you, that are within you,
Yile nto
and they
sisithi-
start taking charge.
That is why sisithi sanibonani noma uhamba wethu singathi sawubona. Hayi ndikufile.
So mase uqala uyifisa uyifuna uzoyithola impendulo. They will show you the path. They will direct you the path that you should take. Because now you have acknowledged
Damn.
that they are there.
We don't pray. Kuthiwa we don't pray to them, but we acknowledge them.
Yeah.
Okay? Njengoba nje sibabiza ngamadimoni ke.
Yazi,
Some of
I
us.
was laughing as I was driving coming to you ngihleka because okay bengine my ideas of how the conversation would go, but ngihleka ngedwa ngithi yazi kunezinto laba basentshona ondlebe ikhanyilanga abaza nazo othi mayifika sithi thina it's the modern life.
Yeah.
But when you dig deeper, you find ukuthi it's culture to them.
Exactly.
It's deep rooted to them. It has a meaning to them. I was laughing because last year I was having a conversation with two ladies who are my clients from the US, and they were telling me about Halloween. Mina ngazi ukuthi Halloween nigqoka okweyipoki.
Into emnyama nje,
Yeah,
edark
into
nje.
emnyama nje na nani.
Thakathi.
And then this lady is like oh khona into ebengikhuluma ngayo. Athi oh so it's is it almost similar like Halloween? And I was like okay, so what is Halloween? Athi kula abadlule emhlabeni abafila bangasekho abasondelene kakhulu khona nabaphilayo. I was like oh okay.
Say that again. Halloween.
It's the moment, it's the time of the year where the dead
Bahamba
are more
bayovusa
closer to the living,
nabaphilayo.
or the living are more closer to the dead.
So bayahamba masithi bayahamba bayoconnecta nabo. Indlela abaphahla ngayo.
So when uti they don't have ancestors, but they acknowledge the dead.